We are together with our Lord Mayor. Please can we ask the Lord Mayor to stand up? Everyone can clap your hands to our Lord Mayor. And also we have, we work with the Mayor Office, City Council, and the police. Want to Superintendent Island please to stand also. People, they can see where you are. We thank you for your help every year. We are together and we are happy to have you. I'm going to invite the Lord Mayor of Plymouth to come here in the front place to open that our events and to receive the visitors came from other cities and the countries. I'm still waiting people from Germany. I think they are in the city center now. They are going to come.
Well, I'm happy to say that my dancing is slightly better than my singing, so I'm not going to be joining your choir. I would like to say welcome to you all. It's an absolute pleasure being here today. It's a privilege being Lord Mayor because you get invited to so many events such as this, which people put together across our city. And it is lovely to have such a diverse community bringing joy and hope to the way people live their lives. I know that OC and the church do a lot of community work and they support refugees and asylum seekers and homeless across the city. And equally, Plymouth as a city is a welcoming city, and we welcome people to come and share their lives and live in our city and share their culture. So from the Lord Mayor's perspective and the city, I would just like to say thank you. Welcome to this lovely event. I'm hoping that we're going to get some more music that we can dance to, because I do like a good dance. I think it's a way that music is a wonderful way of bringing different peoples and different cultures all together. And all I would say is carry on with the good work, enjoy your day, have fun, and thank you to all the communities for what you do to make our city such a wonderful place to live. And a big thank you for Jose and all the people who have put this event on today.
Thank you, Lord Mayor of Plymouth.